syempre, saan ba magagaling? Kundi dito sa Dubai. From Comedy Junction, ladies and gentlemen. Eto na po ang mga stand-up comedians ng Comedy Junction. Palakpakan natin.
Yay!
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up, don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
I am a simple person, enjoy simple things in life, with simple wants and simple needs. I am what I am who I am who wants me to be, and that difference makes me beautiful. If 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30, then beauty plus body plus brain equals me. Good evening once again. My name is Wendy Lugalmon, and I'm very proud to represent from the land of Samba, Brazil.
Excuse me, Brazil, hindi Basel.
From the Visayan community in Brazil. At naniniwala ko sa kasabihan na ang bibig na may kulani nakipag-lips to lips sa Pakistani.
Thank you very much. Let's welcome Miss Shaman. And now, our last candidate is Marlboro Country. Ikaw na. Ikaw na, kasali ka rito. Sige, nakaya mo yan. Go! Kaya mo yan, go! Yan ang music ko, yung bagay sa'yo.
kasing gwapo ni Ariel Rivera o kasing ganda ni Marian Rivera. Malay nyo, isa ako sa tinaya nyo sa karera. And my name is Liza.
De Castro.
Sige na!
Now let's move on to our question.
May sabihin ako.
Sige na.
Naniniwala ako sa I thank you.
Let's move on to our question and answer portion. First candidate, Miss Guam. Miss Guam is very shy. Mukhang mabait. Miss Guam.
Yeah, compared to them.
There's a question, Miss Guam. Kung sakasakaling nasa mall ka at nakita mo yung kaaway at ikaw ay biglang sinampal, anong gagawin mo?
Just like what you said, I'm a very nice person. If someone slapped me on my face, I will do nothing. Because I do believe in saying, don't do to others what you don't want them to do unto you.
Very nice. And what if sampalin ka ulit?
If that situation happened, I have to slap her back. Because I do believe it's better to give than to receive.
Thank you very much, Miss Guam. Miss India. Miss India, here's your question. If ignorance is bliss, then why do we have to study English?
Repeat.
If ignorance is bliss, then why do we have to study English?
No English, my friend. What to do, my friend? What to do?
Thank you very much. Let's go, Miss Brazil. Miss Brazil? Miss Brazil. Thank you. I stand corrected. Miss Brazil. What is the biggest thing you ever swallowed?
Di minsan nga narinig ko kabago bat-bat sa puno alinas. Apan mas maayo matamis paminahon ang puno, nga naabtan o nasabtan sa tanan. Sa among mga gilitanan, sa katigulangan o sa mga kagalaan, ang puno nga binisaya.
Miss Brazil? Miss Brazil, parang niloloko mo kami. Wala kami naiintindihan.
In English, the biggest thing that I ever swallowed is my pride.
Thank you very much! Miss Japan! Let's go, Miss Japan! From the land of the rising sun. Miss Japan, you're next. Miss Japan, here's your question. What do you think is the greatest mistake you did in your life?
Oh. Ghana? Yeah. Never been mentioned. Well, pardon?
What do you think is the greatest mistake you did in your life?
Do not English me, I'm panic. Well, I don't have any mistake in my life as a major. It's only a minor. Like pork steak, beef steak, sweet steak, one steak.
Thank you very much, Miss Japan! Our last candidate, the Mukhang Palaban, is Marlboro Country.
Question?
Ano, masungit?
No.
Here's your question.
Where?
It's with me.
Okay.
If you were to choose between wealth and integrity, what would you choose and why? Do you know the meaning of integrity?
Yeah, I know. I'm the most intelligent. Yeah, candidate.
So what integrity is?
Integrity means moral excellence like trustworthy, loyalty, and duty.
Thank you very much! Matalino. May follow-up question. Isa pa tayong magtatanong.
You just said that you are the most intelligent among the candidates. Kung mamamatay ka bukas, bakit di pa ngayon?
Mr. Host, hindi ako nagmamadali. Nagmamadali ka ba? Mauna ka.
Bakit mo ba? Nagmamadali ka lang ako?
Excuse me, Mr. Host. Comedy ba? Joke.
I am what I am and what
Mahusay!
Hello mga bakla! Palakpakan natin ang mga bakla!
Pinakamagandang magpakilala muna, may kasabihan!
Ako po si Deo de la Cruz at ako po ay naniniwala sa kasabihang umarte lamang po tayo ng naaayon sa ganda. Pag hindi po masyado maganda, huwag masyado maarte!
Pangalawa!
Ako po si Rie at naniniwala po ako sa mga kasabihang sasabihin nilang mga kasabihan. Salamat po.
Nakadroga ka ba? Pangatlo!
Ano to? Ako po si Marla at naniniwala po sa kasabihan ang babae hindi po tumutuba ay isang konduktora.
Next!
Ako po si Janet. Nandiwala po ako sa kasabihang napakaganda ko talaga.
Oh!
Kasabihan ba yun? Kasabihan na yun?
Hindi, sinabi niya lang yun.
Oo, sinabi mo.
Ako si Junior, kung hindi kayo naniniwala, ako hindi rin naniniwala. Kung may kasabihan sila, ako wala!
Tama! Dinaan sa sigaw! At hindi talaga ito totoo. Kasabihan, ito talaga ay mangyayari.
Ito ang katotohanan.
Yes!
Po si Tomas, ang tour guide nyo dito sa Dubai. Tara, samahan ko kayo saan nyo man gustong pumunta. Eat and Drink Restaurant. Ano kayong ginagawa sa restaurant? Siyempre, eat and drink. Manonood ka ng sine sa restaurant, di ba hindi? Daylight Info Systems. Malamang sarado ito pagkagabi. May sikat pa yun, Almacen. Ito yung magiging asawa ni Regine, di ba? Ogie Almacen. Ito po ang tailoring shop ni Alan kay Zarat Al-Madani. So maraming Zarat. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Ito po si Tomas, ang inyong naging tour guide. At dito sa Dubai, ang lahat ng tao, Arabo kausap. Dubai!